How to make skip the dishes account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make the skip the dishes account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create skip the dishes account, just go to skipthedishes.com and then you will see this type of interface where you will find an account option from the top right hand side of the screen here. And here, if you have an account already, you can tap on login, but if you don't, you can just tap the sign up option that you can find over here. And once you tap the sign up option that you can find here, over here you will find the sign up option here, and then you should be able to sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or you can sign up manually using an email address over here. And then after you do that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically enter your full name, email, phone number, password, and then tap the create account option in order to create a skip the dishes account. Or you could also go ahead and just skip the process with your Google accounts as well. This way you'll be able to make skip the dishes accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.